I want to tell you one thing, okay, guys? That if you like me, I will kick.
It's time for the elimination.
Elimination time, Dada!
Boo, your terrible gameplay has led you to this moment. We got one vote. One of you is going away. Skeleton, you save it 0 votes. Pooh Face, despite you summoning a demon, you are also safe. Devil Emoji, you really didn't do much, so I guess you're safe. Which leaves Satan, I mean Demon Emoji. Oh, I'm sorry, Demon Emoji, but you're out of the game. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh,
The next contest is a race. You have 3 cars. You need to use them to go to the finish line, which the animator is so lazy to animate. I wonder why he is so lazy. Anyway, the first 2 teams to finish to go to the racing line will be the winner, while the rest will be up for elimination. Good luck.
I'm so angry. I have a solution.
I like the fact that you got smart!
Team 1 is safe, one more safe spot to go. And Team 2 wins, which leaves Team 3 to be up for elimination. Viewers, this toots that Team 2 is up for elimination, but you only get 1 vote. Vote one of them to leave emoji battle. You can choose any of them. It's your choice. I don't know who'll get out. Maybe you should vote Angel or Laughing Emoji or Party Emoji or Love Emoji.
I'm on 14.